too loud. Hello guys, it's time for some hiccup. You got a hiccup?
Yes.
Look. Nice? You know what is this? Nickelodeon Slime Hyper Blaster Pack. Slime Blaster. We had once before, not this brand, just kind of no name, and it wasn't great. We'll see this. Is it good or not?
Yes. First we need to do the slime.
I guess we'll open and see. What? 7 meters on the head? Uh-oh. And it's in powder or something?
Yes, and you add water.
And that's it? That's the stuff anyway. We'll see. We'll see. Open it, Sammy. First you put powder in, then add water. Wait 10-15 seconds. Interesting. And then load it and should be ready.
25.
You got this.
Nice.
Here is a kind of magazine. Here we get bags. Okay. Oh, we have some bags, man.
Yes, 10.
The water should be 20-25 Celsius. So it's not very hot, not warm, and not cold, something between. Here we have just tap water and it shows us 19 degrees or 18. Hot water, just a little bit. Okay, it's going up, you see, it's 20. So
No.
we get 25 now. See that? Let's take it off here, yep. We'll add powder here. Which one first?
The green one.
Green, yeah? Okay, I got it. Can you add the green powder? Not much of it, okay. And we put water. 25 degrees water. 15 seconds they said? Oh.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's green.
It's nice.
They said really? Yeah, 10-15 seconds.
Oh, come on, Daddy.
It's going through this. What? I know it's going through this. Oh, it's getting slimy.
Yes?
I think so.
Touch it.
See, it's still water, kind of.
Touch.
Anyway, we'll leave it. Let's do another one, yeah? We get another one. And we'll put the... Maybe we should put 2 bags of it, because it's still kind of water.
Yeah.
It's not slime.
Yes. Let's try it.
You know what? I'll put some more warmer water here for the other one. We'll see if the slime will be better then. Orange and warmer water.
Whoa. It's water.
It's like not slime really. Just wait, they said 10-15 seconds. We're waiting already like this.
No, it's not really slime.
It is kind of sticky, but I wouldn't call it slime. Okay.
Ah.
Yeah. Is it slime? Oh, no really. Maybe we can try to put another green into dirt. Yeah?
Yes.
And we'll see, will it improve or not? Let me see that. It's still not perfect, I'd say. Let's load it anyway. It is on. Can I try it?
Yes. On me.
You sure?
Yes.
First maybe I'm gonna shoot here.
Okay.
The box, yeah? If it's even possible. Oh! It is! Did you see that, guys? Look. But they said it shoots like up to 7 meters. No way! Sammy's playing with this. You want me to shoot you, Sammy?
Yeah.
Where? Here? Maybe on the floor, huh?
Okay.
You really want me to shoot, Sammy?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, I'll try first the green and then maybe the orange. It's awful! Is it? It is kind of slime. Okay, we get some. I don't... Sammy, don't. I don't know how to play with this stuff. Outside probably, huh? So take this off.
Oh.
The orange one. Ah, this one is warm. And we'll see now.
It's warm.
Is it? Oh, Sammy, you look weird, okay? Oh, I'm not sure. I don't know what to think about it. Have it, Sammy. What you doing? Hard? It's like a pump, actually.
Let's mix it.
Okay, Mommy gonna love it.
Yes.
We need to clean it up, I guess. What do you think, Sammy? Because I think it's kind of pointless to play with this. You know?
Yeah.
I think maybe just like one time play, like you have birthday or something and you want to finish the party, you just play with stuff like that and
Yeah.
at the end, you know? Because otherwise, and outside obviously, what do you think about it?
It's like sticky water.
But is it good toy or would you recommend it to buy it or something? I think
No,
not.
I don't.
Look at Sammy now. Would you recommend it?
Not really.
Oh, I have the same feelings. I thought it's gonna be great fun, but you know, what we need to do? We need to clean it. And you know what? You need to go to take a shower, take the clothes off and and take a shower.